welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. So we have our BirchBox for December 2019. The box is a little different. Isn't it pretty? Like, instead of the normal where you just take the lid off, it's like you lift it up, like super pretty. So before we get into the unboxing, thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I'm so happy you're here. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join us. We do beauty unboxings, lifestyle, we do candle, we do snack, we do accessories, home decor, pets, we do it all. So if you enjoy unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. And guys, don't forget, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy. That also helps me out. But let's get to BirchBox. So if you are not familiar, BirchBox is a $15 a month beauty subscription, and you do typically receive sample and deluxe size sample products. Now they made some changes back in June when they increased their price, because they did used to be $10 a month. And since then, I will say, I definitely think they have stepped up their game. The products that they're sending are better, and we're getting more full-size products in addition to obviously the sample and deluxe size. So I definitely think it's still worth it. It's a great way. I mean, they're sending Sunday Riley, they're sending Wander Beauty, all these like really good brands, and I enjoy it. So I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up for BirchBox. It'll save you $9 off your first 3 months. So without further ado, let's get into my December 2019 BirchBox. So one thing also, before I forget, they have also, some of the changes they made is you do fill out a beauty profile. So they will match you based on that. However, you also have the option to choose a curated box. They usually have 3 to 5 curated boxes each month, and you can see everything that is in it, and you can choose a curated box if that is what you want. You can choose a sample. They'll have about 2 to 3 samples that you can pick from, and the rest of your box will be based on your profile. You can have it be a complete surprise, or you can actually swap it for a full-size product. That will vary each month. They'll pick a product, and if you just want to swap and get that, you can do that as well. So now my December 2019 BirchBox. So, oh, yes, when you open it, this is like, y'all, look at that. Let's see. What does this say? What do you say? This is for you, the best you, the joyful you, the powerful you, the confident you, the well-adjusted, just like your parents always hoped for you, the awkward but lovable you, the coy you, the you that you miss, the kicking ass and taking names you, the you always wanted to be, the you never thought you could be, the you that sits in the mirror waiting for time to see you. You may be out of moisturizer, but you're not out of time. Give a little to yourself, because the best you requires a little time with you. For once, it's all about you. That, I really like that. Oh, it opens even more, and it says, hey, you. Oh, I love that. All right, so we have a card, and on the back it tells us about our products, but there is a little note here as well, and it says, as we close out the year, we just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. We know that your life is so full, and we couldn't be more grateful that for a few minutes each month we get to help you find some time for you. We couldn't be BirchBox without you. Cheers to you and the year to come. The BirchBox team. That is so nice. And then, like I said, the products on here, and it does give you full-size pricing for the products. So they've been putting a lot of coupons in for the last couple of months, which I'm loving. So here's what I see, my box. And I believe, if I remember correctly, I chose a curated box. So we're going to start with what really got me. And it is apparently the first time this has made an appearance in BirchBox, but it is the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind Matcha and Apple Replenishing Superfood Shampoo and Conditioner. I have heard great things about Briogeo. The products that I have tried from Briogeo, I absolutely love. So when I saw this, and they're really, I mean, they're a good size. They're 1 ounce each. I really wanted to try these. And I want to smell it and see if it smells like apple. There's a safety seal. I love that it was the shampoo and the conditioner. Yes. That smells like a fresh, ripe Granny Smith apple. That smells so good. So I'm excited to have these and give them a try. So it says the full size for each is $28. And it says this duo is like a juice cleanse for your hair. It contains matcha and apple to balance your scalp and deeply nourish. Awesome. And then this is full size. This is Arrow Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm Berry Busy. This is $15. A BirchBox exclusive brand. This ultra hydrating formula adjusts to your lips' pH to create a flattering, deep pink hue that's unique to only you. So that's interesting. So you can see there. Let's see if it does anything on my... Oh! Well... Did you see that? It like came out. All right, so I'm putting, you can see this purple on my skin. Let's wait a little bit and see what it does. It feels really nice, I will say that. Okay. Then we have from Real Chemistry, a luxurious 3-minute peel. Now the full size would be $48. This gentle acid-free peel removes dead skin cells to help your skin reveal its glow. It says to use, apply the gel to clean dry skin and massage in circular motion before it dries. Rinse off any solids that appear. So I'll give that a try. Then we have from Benefit Cosmetics, They're Real. This is a mascara. And it's a lengthening mascara Beyond Black. The full size would be $25. This formula makes your lashes look naturally lengthened, curled, and volumized. It says for full effect, gently wiggle the wand from lash line to lash tip. So I will be putting this to the side for a future giveaway. But here is what the actual package looks like. So there's that. Like I said, that'll be put to the side. And then we have one final item. And this is from Model Co. This is the first time sampling this. This is a highlighting shimmer whip in Cosmo. Full size is $15. Define your features and add a glow with this easy to blend weightless liquid highlighter. It says blend into just the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones, the bridge of your nose, Cupid's bow, etc. Or mix with your foundation or moisturizer. So let's take a look. All right, so you can kind of see the color there. It's just like a silvery or champagne-y. I don't know, it's a pretty color. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and I'll put this in my holiday giveaway. I don't know that I have a product like that in there. So that's going to be in there. So that was everything in my December 2019 BirchBox. I, again, am super excited to try the Briogeo matcha and, oh, wait a minute. It's matcha and apple shampoo, but then it's kale and apple conditioner. Oh, no harsh sulfates, silicones, or parabens. Okay, so I'm definitely excited about that. I do want to give this Real Chemistry 3-minute peel a try, especially since it said it's an acid-free peel. And that like light lavender turned to that pink. So that would be a nice flush of color just with a like everyday makeup look. So I'm happy for that. And then again, I'm going to be putting this to the side for a future giveaway and adding the Model Co highlighting shimmer whip to the holiday giveaway that I have going on. So I'm happy. Like I said, this was a curated box, so I was able to see, even though I did kind of forget, except for the shampoo and conditioner, what all was in here. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do you get BirchBox? If you do, did you pick a curated box? Did you pick a sample? What did you get? Let me know. And also, again, like I said, that link will be down below to save you $9 off your first 3 months. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you have a wonderful day. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.